Dear children, we are in exercise 1.5 question number 4 where we have to represent root 9.5 on the number line. First step is draw a line and with the help of your scale you mark 9.3. AB is equal to 9.3. First step, right? Using your scale, whatever number, it may be 5.6, 3.8, any number. So AB is that number which is inside the root. Second step is make BC is equal to 1 unit, 1 centimeter. If AB is equal to 9.3 centimeter, BC will be 1 centimeter. Now with the help of your compass, this is your compass, you all know it, right? Now keep it on A, take more than half of distance AC, you make an arc up and down. From A, keep your compass at A, take more than half the distance of AC and take an arc up and down, and keeping the compass as C, same cut the previous arc and join these arc from here to here, you will get the midpoint of AC. Now with center and mark it as O. Now with center O and radius equal to OA, draw a semicircle like this. Now from B, draw a perpendicular to meet the semicircle at point D. Therefore BD is equal to root 9.3. Now with your compass, with center B and radius equal to BD, draw an arc to meet the number line at point E. Now BE is equal to root 9.3. Now question is how it has come. Let us solve it and find out. In your examination you have to do it only up to this, right? What is your steps? What will be your first step? First step is take AB is equal to 9.3. Second step is take BC is equal to 1 unit. With the help of your compass, draw the midpoint of AC. Now next step is with center O and radius OA, draw a semicircle. Your fifth step is from B, draw a perpendicular to meet the semicircle at point D. Now BD is equal to root 9.3. With center as B and radius equal to BD, draw an arc to meet the number line at point E. Therefore B is equal to root 9.3. How it has come, let us see. Now I am doing it here only. Now I am joining OD. Now OD is equal to what? OA equal to OC equal to OD is equal to how much? It is half of AC. AC is equal to how much? 9.3 plus 1, 10.3. 10.3 upon 2. So OD is equal to 10.3 upon 2. Right? Now we'll also find OB. OB we have found. OB is here. OB is equal to OC minus BC. OC minus BC is equal to OB. That is OC is equal to 10.3. We have just point 10.3 upon 2. And BC is equal to 1. 1 means 1 upon 1. Take out its LCM. LCM is how much? 2. 10.3 minus 2, that is equal to 8.3 upon 2. Now this is a right angle triangle. Now in right triangle OBD, this right triangle OBD. OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square, right? By Pythagoras theorem. Okay? Now, if you transfer it here, it will be what? BD square is equal to OD square minus OB square. Is it correct? No? Okay, fine. So it will be what? OD square. OD square, you have just found out the value. It is 10.3 upon 2. Now, before that I'll do it. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B and A minus B. Okay? A square minus B square, A plus B, A minus B. Okay, fine. This is what? OD is how much? OD is equal to 10.3 upon 2 and OB is equal to 8.3 upon 2. Here 10.3 upon 2 minus 8.3 upon 2. Right? This is, just find out, LCM is 2. 10.3 plus 8.3, and here this is LCM 2. 10.3 minus 8.3. Are you getting? Now it is what? Just see it here. This is 18.6 upon 2 into this is 2 upon 2. When you cancel, it is there. This is 9.3. This is 9.3. Whose value is 9.3? This is BD square. Therefore, BD is equal to square root of 9.3.